Morning, everybody. BigStew here, and we have a new topic today, and that topic is speed. I know you've heard the term speed before, but what does it mean? Well, speed is the distance traveled divided by the time that it took. And we use D to represent distance and T to represent time. We put it into a formula where speed is the distance divided by time. Basically, how far you went and how long it took you to get there. For example, when I go to see my family in the New Orleans area, the distance that I have to travel to get from my front door to theirs is 325 miles. The time that it took the last time I went was 5 hours. So we have to set this up as a division problem. If you write this out on paper, make sure that the 325 miles goes inside the little house. Or if you're using a calculator, type in the 325 first. So we set it up for our division. 325 miles divided by 5 hours. So we've got speed equals 325 miles divided by 5 hours. If we divide this out, we get an answer of 61 miles per hour. And the units that we use are miles per hour. Now, I know some of you are thinking, well, wait a minute, I thought the speed limit was 70 miles per hour. Or, gee, miss, why are you driving like an old lady? Well, I had to slow down in some spots because of traffic. And sometimes when you go through a city, you have to slow down also. And there were also lots of highway patrol on the road. Some spots I went faster than 61 miles per hour. So dividing it out is how we get the answer. If you use the calculator, you type in 325, push the divide button, type in 5, and then equals, and that gives you your answer. We can measure speed in miles per hour or kilometers per hour or even feet per second, depending on what your distance is and how much time you're using. We use speed in our everyday lives. Anytime you drive, you need to be aware of your speed, and we have speed limits. But it's distance divided by time, and that's the formula that we use. Have a good one.